Hello, welcome. Question 7. Instead of recording 1.23 centimeter as the radius of a tube, a student recorded 1.32 centimeter. We have to find correct to one decimal place the percentage error. How do we find percentage error? Remember, percentage error equals to the error that occurred over the actual measurement multiplied by the 100%. So how do we have the value of the error? The error is that this is what is supposed to be written and they have measured it. So how much centimeter have they added? So that means that 1.32 minus 1.23 divided by the actual. Instead of recording this is the actual measurement. They did the measurement as this. So actual is 1.23. So multiply by 100%. So let's see on our calculator. We have 1.32 minus 1.23. That will be giving you 0.09 divided by 1.23 times what? 100%. If we do that, we should be having percentage error as 7.317. Okay, let's just say we are going for one decimal place, as the question said. So it is 7.317070. So one decimal place will be 7.31. As a whole number, they made an error of 7%. So they are supposed to measure, the movement of this, interchanging of this, sometimes give us some error when I'm doing physics practical or chemistry. All right, I think this is clear. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.